You walk into the gym for the first time. Motivation is high. You've watched transformation videos, saved workout reels, bought protein powder, and in your head, this is the beginning of a new life. But most beginners never get the body they want. Not because they're lazy, because they unknowingly make mistakes that destroy progress before it even starts. And some of these mistakes are so common, almost everyone does them. This is what beginners are doing wrong, and how to avoid becoming another person who quits after 3 months. The first mistake? Training like every workout is a war. Most beginners think more pain equals more results. So they copy advanced bodybuilders, train 2 hours a day, destroy their muscles, and can barely move the next morning. It feels productive. But your body doesn't grow during workouts. It grows when it recovers. If you constantly train exhausted, your strength drops, motivation disappears, and injuries start creeping in. The truth is brutal. Brutal. A simple workout you can recover from beats an insane workout you can't sustain. Consistency builds physiques, not punishment. Second mistake, ignoring form because ego is louder than logic. You've seen it before. A beginner loads heavy weight onto the bench press, then turns the exercise into a full body earthquake. Bad form might impress people for 3 seconds, but shoulder injuries can last years. The gym doesn't reward ego, it rewards precision. The strongest lifters in the world mastered technique before heavy weight, because muscles don't care about numbers, they care about tension. And if your form is terrible, the wrong muscles do the work. Third mistake, changing workouts every single week. This is one of the biggest reasons beginners stay weak. 1 week it's calisthenics, next week it's powerlifting, then some random TikTok anime workout. Your body needs repeated stimulation to adapt. If your routine constantly changes, progress resets again and again. Most transformations come from boring repetition. The same lifts, done consistently, for months. That's the secret nobody wants to hear. Now here's the mistake that silently destroys motivation. Expecting fast results. Social media ruined people's expectations. You see someone transform in a 15-second reel and think your body should change in 2 weeks. But real fitness is slow, sometimes painfully slow. There are months where the mirror barely changes, months where the scale doesn't move. That's where most people quit. But the people who succeed understand something powerful. Fitness is not an event, it's an identity. Once training becomes part of who you are, results become inevitable. Another dangerous mistake? Copying influencers without understanding genetics. The workout that built someone else's body may not build yours. Some influencers have elite genetics. Some are enhanced, some are simply lying. But beginners blindly follow everything. Extreme diets, crazy supplement stacks, overcomplicated routines, and instead of getting stronger, they burn out mentally. The best training program is usually the simplest one. Basic compound lifts, good sleep, enough protein, consistency. That's it. Fitness companies hate how simple the truth really is. And finally, the most dangerous mistake of all, quitting too early. Most people stop right before progress starts showing. They quit after 30 days because they still look the same, but they don't realize something incredible is happening underneath. Their discipline is growing, their confidence is changing, their mindset is evolving. The physical transformation always starts internally first. Every strong person you admire once felt weak too. They just didn't stop. So if you're a beginner in the gym right now, remember this: you do not need the perfect workout. You do not need elite genetics. You do not need motivation every day. You need patience, consistency, and the ability to keep showing up when results are invisible. Because the people who change their bodies are usually the ones who refuse to quit when nothing exciting was happening. And that's the real secret of fitness.